We're here at Collegetown Center. We're a little more than halfway down the hallway on the 3rd floor. We're going to go into studio apartment 304. This is on the south side of the building. Let's go on in and take a look. So the kitchen has the cabinets, as you can see, the refrigerator, sink and dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, just like all the kitchens here throughout the building. As we enter in the apartment, this apartment does have that little nook on the wall across from the kitchen where I think you can put a shoe rack or a narrow shelf or table to fit in here if you wanted to bring some of your own items in for additional storage. Let's go on into the apartment. As we enter, you can see we have a closet on this side. Let's take a look. So we have good hanging space, good floor space here for storage in the closet. Let's go around the room. You can see the furnishings. There is the dining table and chair. There's a tall bookshelf, the full-size bed, a desk and chair, and the dresser. We'll go take a look out the window, but let's look in the bathroom first. As we get turned around here, let's take a look. There's that kitchen. The white door is the door we just came in. So here's our bathroom. It's the same in Collegetown Center in all the apartments. You have the tub shower with a sliding door. There's that vanity that opens for more storage underneath, under the sink. A nice large mirror, a nice big light, a toilet, and towel bars. And we have over here the cabinets on the wall for some smaller storage items. Okay, so let's go look out the window. You can see the air conditioner. There's a heater. Where is that? Over here is the heater in the apartment. So we're on the south side of the building. That's the brighter side of the building. We are away from Dryden Road. And let's look over here to our left. We can see College Avenue. We are right in the center of Collegetown, and the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road is just 1 block from campus. You can see part of the Upper Dryden parking lot, and which is right below us, and then the parking over on the left, that is part of the College Ave parking lot. Parking is available as a separate lease contract if you have a car. And you can see over here we have the beautiful valley views, and it's really nice on days like this when there are storms going through because we have the beautiful cloud formations that you can see right from your window, and it is really lovely to have that here in central Collegetown. So that's a look at Collegetown Center. We're in studio apartment 304. This is a standard style rectangle apartment on the south side of the building here in Collegetown Center. This is a 6th-floor elevator building. We have this model available on floors 2 through 6 of this building located at 151 Dryden Road.